this is the Creative City Festival Thanksgiving party, at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumubaybay ng Ibagiw Creative Festival Series travel vlogs ko. At yung mga hindi pa po nakakanood, panoorin nyo na lang po or i-check nyo na lang po yung mga description sa baba at yung card na makikita nyo dito sa taas. Maraming salamat po. Ito na po ang pagtatapos ng Ibagiw Festival. Itong festival po na ito ay nagbigay daan upang makarecover ulit ang turismo dito sa Baguio City. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat ng organizers and of course the brains behind this festival. Thank you at maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusuporta. Okay, so I will be sharing with you a short clip of this event and sending loves and kisses from Baguio City, Momshie Jhen.
Take this opportunity to remind everyone about house rules and some protocols that we all need to observe. Number one is hand sanitizers. Every now and then take a bath and the sun on your head.
This is Kidlat Tahimik's creations and it will be going to Spain soon.
We thank Starlight Smoke for our tents. Here to the one for bringing the tents safely to Baguio City. We like the Department of Tourism, the Department of
We're here inside the convention center and these are the exhibits of Kidlat Tahimik. Murals of local artists. And of course the famous Magyal, the goddess of the wind. Hi lang! Chancellor Raymundo of University of the Philippines.
Tonight promises to be not like any other night. Do join us and enjoy the sounds, sights, and highlights of Anido.
In the midst of the pandemic, it was a challenge, but we said we want to win. In the times of pandemic, we said it's enough. We must learn to live with the pandemic, and we did. We breathe in culture. We breathe in art. We breathe in inspiration. And indeed, we breathe in Baguio. This is a celebration where we are proud of our artists and artisans. This was for them. May I ask everyone to give our artists and artisans a rousing applause. It is for them this festival has been staged in the first place. Bonfire, and this is really a celebration of resiliency. Marami pong salamat.
Yeah.
Our first place for the gardening competition goes to Jocelyn De Ocares. Congratulations, ma'am!
Oh, informal lang naman siya, okay lang. So she actually was one of the brains behind this creative crawl, art and garden crawl na tawag natin. And so, last words from Venus as the Ibagiw Festival ends. Siyempre, kailangan meron tayong last good words from our creative crawl czar. Ayan, nagano sa beauty ng Venus.
Jhen, this is just the beginning. I think this team planted a lot of seeds. We watch those seeds grow and grow in the coming months and years. So thank you everyone for participating. We all enjoyed this.
Alright, thank you, Ma'am Venus. And on our next video, we're going to feature her beautiful garden located at Suelio Village in Marcos Highway. So watch out for